Hey guys, it's Nick the Booksmith. Welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so next up, I think I'm going to make some inside slip pockets. I have this gorgeous cardstock, and this one is 49th and Market. That is the name, the brand name, and it looks like that. And this is the specimen page. I got this as a single sheet when I went to, what was it called? It's like a stamper paper person convention. I forget what it was called. But anyway, there were some companies there that had just bins of single sheets of cardstock, and so I rummaged through one of the boxes and got some of these. So I didn't get the whole pad or anything, but I probably got 5 or 6 sheets of whatever this came for. I'd never even heard of this brand before. So like you needed a backstory about where I got my paper. But you know, I figured maybe somebody will ask. So anyway, what I want to do is I'm going to be folding this and making a little accordion folder kind of, but a skinny slip pockety one. And I want it to be where this folds out, I want it to be right here. Let's see. This is, I think this is 11 inches. So I think I'm going to go in 5 and then make a score line because it's already the right height. Let me get rid of Bertha here. So it's 12 inches wide. And I need this thing. So I need to come into like the 7. And I'll make a score line here. And I'm going to give it a little 1/4 inch boxed bottom at the bottom. And then I'm going to come out to 10 3/4. That's just to mark. Because I will show you. This is some really stiff stuff. So I'm going to cut this off here. Okay, so this is the right height, and I think it blends well. It's like exactly the right height. Okay, so I'm going to cut this in. I need 2 little sides. And I need to score 4 lines. So half of 1 1/2 is 3/4, and then half of this is about here, and here. Looks about right. So it'll be just a short accordion on the side, like this, like that. But before I glue these in or tape these in, mark the center because I want to give it a little thumb hole here. And that thing just launches, doesn't it? And then in here I want to do another. Because I'm going to leave this open in the middle so things can get slipped behind, to be little skinny things, but still want to leave a little space there. And because I want to be able to see the edges, let's ink the edges for some definition. And then I also want to ink this edge so that it shows up against the background. Obviously totally not necessary, but here we are. Okay, now I will tape these in. Line that up. And line that one up. I'm going to put it in the little middle mountain fold here. And I can squish that down and squish that down. Now I can fold it over. One. So here is this little foldy pocket with thumb holes. And I was thinking about putting it here or here. I made two, because here's another one. I wanted to show you one, fuzzy on that. I wanted to show you one on camera. So they could face each other like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down. I haven't decided that on that yet, but this one will get put over here. Just going to line this up on the edge of end paper. Okay, so there we have this little pocket that will sit right about there. This little part here is still open underneath this section, and then of course the big pocket here. And then over here, I can either put another one here, like I showed you I had, or this could go inside here. It doesn't even have to go down here. It just could go inside of this section, what I think might be kind of cool. And then this could still attach, maybe even with a magnet inside of here. And then this could attach just with a magnet. That'd be kind of cool. These are my magnets. And I have some washers because these things are so strong that I don't need two of them. I keep attaching to other things. I have some bigger magnets in here too, but those are just too jumps. Those are just too wide, too thick. So I'm just going to get one of these out. Oh my goodness, stop. Okay. And what I will end up doing is I will probably put the washer under here inside after I figure out what I want to do with like a little strap here. Maybe I should go ahead and could probably peel these back and put the magnet inside where I had seamed it together and glue it, maybe glue it underneath there, and that way it wouldn't add any extra bulk. So I might do that. That sound like somewhat of a plan? Let's try Gorilla Grip. How's that? And of course, if this doesn't work, I can go on to plan B. Come on, Gorilla Glue. Goodness gracious, stuff is like, truly like molasses in January. Truly. Does anybody even know what molasses in January would be like anymore? Do kids even know what molasses is? I'm going to put the magnet on top of that Gorilla stuff. And then I can close this over the top. Some more Gorilla Glue. And then I will fold that down. Make sure it's in the center-ish. Probably to put too much glue, but it is what it is, man. And then I'm going to put this clamp, I think, while it finishes drying up. We'll see if that works. And that way I can put that there, and then after I put that there, I will be able to find out where the magnet will go underneath inside that thing. Does that make sense? All right, so I think that will go there. Then that will kind of hold everything in, solve my flippity flappity problem for this thing. But this will hold anything that's inside of here, as long as it's not teeny tiny, will be held by this thing. That's the plan. I guess I could go ahead and attach this. I like this here. So let me just go ahead and do that. Go. And that way, if you got into the lap book but you really didn't need into this section, it could be closed off if you just needed whatever it is that's going to be put here. You know what I mean? All right. I put the book up on edge and kind of fold everything out to where it's going to kind of sit, and then see what kind of gappy areas I have, and then address those gappy areas. Now there's going to be stuff inside of all of the pockets and that kind of thing, so you can leave some gaps for that. But maybe I don't want this big old huge gap here, so I can start thinking about maybe something here. I'm going to ponder that, because I know what's going to go here, I think. I'm going to think about it. So vague and definitive. I think we've done quite a bit for this segment, don't you think? I think so. I think it's looking fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, well, I will let you go for now, and I will play around with some options and see what I want to do for the next part, and then I will do that. I will show it to you. All right, guys, I hope everybody is having an excellent day wherever you are, and I will see you all really, really soon in the next video. Bye, guys.